Hi there, guys and girls. Good day to each every one of you. How are you all doing? How was your new year? Do you have your new year's resolutions? Very good. Guys, it's Sunday once again, January 5, 2025. Time for counting for these coins that I have saved. Guys, can you guess for how much this would be? Come on. Help me count these blessings by the Lord. See that? Guys and gals, we're starting the year, so you better start again. And for those who are saving, keep on saving, okay? Very good. For how much do you think, guys and gals, this would be? Huh? Come on, make some guess. Yes, bye for now.